Welcome. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to integrate live chat with your Shopify store using Desku's AI-powered customer support solution. To get started, navigate to your Shopify sales channels settings and select Online Store. Next, open the theme editor to manage your store's design, functionality, and app integrations. Click App Embeds. It looks like a puzzle piece. Open the Shopify App Store to discover tools and integrations that enhance your store's capabilities. Search for a live chat or AI chatbot solution that helps you engage visitors and support customers around the clock. Find Desku.io live chat from the list. Click Install to add the Desku application to your Shopify store. Complete the installation setup to enable AI-powered customer conversations directly on your storefront. Now sign into your Desku account to configure your chatbot settings, branding, and knowledge base. Activate the live chat widget to begin engaging with website visitors in real time. Your AI-powered live chat assistant is now active and ready to answer questions, support customers, and help increase conversions.